What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. I hope you are doing well. It is hot. It's hot, but I'll take it any day over the snow or the cold. So I'm not gonna complain. I want to take a look at EURUSD right quick. I'm gonna do a full markup. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Kaci. I am a registered commodity trading advisor and a swing and intraday trader. And I do multiple time frame analysis. And so I'm gonna walk you through my little process here. I'm using the platform Smart Trader right now, and I really like it. I didn't initially. It definitely took some getting used to, but it helps me kind of run through my charts because I mark up a lot of pairs. So it's about 26. I just try to find the best potential setup. And one of the reasons that I like it is because I can go behind and follow up on my work. So I try to mark the charts up on my own first, right? Or not try, I do. And then I go back and I double check what I've done just to make sure I haven't missed anything. And so just like right here, I skipped over 2 levels of resistance, but now looks like we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn that off, and then I'm gonna go down. Actually, I don't know if this is one yet. Let me just double check on the support. Yeah, I don't have anything there yet. So I am gonna go into the next time frame, which is the weekly, and guess what I'm gonna do? The same thing. So I'm gonna find my highs and my lows, and I'm gonna mark them off because it becomes important as we continue to move through the charts, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna double check, make sure I haven't missed anything, and I have above. So I'm gonna grab this, and then I'm gonna get rid of this. And we have one lower that I missed. And then I'm going to double check it. Oops. Yep, we're good. We're good. So now I'm going to go down to the daily, do the same thing. And then kind of go from there. Now this one is tight, but there's one right there. I see one. Do I see another one? I don't think so. I don't even see a low on this time frame. I think they're outside of the existing ones that we chose. Now let's see. I missed one. I'm gonna grab it. And I think, yep, we're good on resistance. Now I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour. Now I stop at the 4 hour because I am, like I said, an intraday swing trader. It depends on what's going on, which one I end up doing, but I don't need to go lower. But if you're a scalper, like, you still should be doing a time frame analysis because that is going to give you insight as to how you should be moving in the market. On those lower time frames, so you'll know, like, oh, okay, I'm bullish for the next 100 pips or 160 pips. So I find doing multiple time frame analysis beneficial. I know a lot of people get intimidated by it, but the best advice that I would have if you're looking to try to delve into this space is to give yourself some grace, attempt it, and it'll look foreign and it'll be hard and you'll be sick of it and you won't want to do it. But I'm telling you, stick to trying it out, and it'll definitely change. Is that one? Yeah, it'll definitely change your trading game. I promise you that. I promise you that. Now I want to double check my highs. We got them all. So now that I've done that, so y'all who follow me for a while know that I'm a fib trader. So I use Fibonacci to help me determine what I'm gonna do in the market. And that's what I'm doing right here. So I understand where we are in the sequence. I want to mark off just a couple levels that are going to be key to me moving forward. Now, it's funny that D extension is right at that monthly resistance. And then this is still in play. So I'm going to delete this. Then I'm going to go down to the daily. And then I'm going to run the fibs again. And what I'm trying to see is if a move has finished out so I can kind of anticipate what's going to be happening next, right? So this is the active fib, and you'll see the D extension. So it's A, B, pullback at the weekly support, 2 weekly support, a daily support. So the target is up here in the same vicinity as the monthly resistance and the other target on the higher time frame. So I'm going to get rid of this fib, and then I'm gonna go down to the 4 and I want to measure the fib from there too. And so that means we came back. So okay, so nothing is active on the fib, or actually no, I take that back. I'm not at the lowest point. I just plopped a fib down in the middle of the chart. What am I thinking? It's Friday, right? Losing all my marbles. There we go. All right. So before we even get up here to monthly resistance, we got to see if we're going to pass this daily and weekly resistance. And so the initial target on the 4 hour, your first play is here to this extension right here. Right. But let's take a look even closer. So now that I've run them from the top, I want to run it from the bottom. I want to run it from the top too. So I'm going to click above the last high. What is this, 4 hour? Excuse me. Okay, let me go back to the daily. And that's what I should have done. I should have started off on a higher time frame first to see where we were in the sequence. So we have an A high, a B low. We have less than a 23.6 pullback. So we know that there's potential for price to come here. If it looks like it may be finding, we'll know at the end of the day if this is going to be a support level. Because if it is, then we have the opportunity for a potential buy for, what is that, 180 pips. So let me delete this because I think I'm gonna be interested in the buy. I think that's what I'm gonna be interested in. So I am going to get my ray. Now that I've done my fibs and found out where we are, I need to plot my trend lines. So I'm going to turn this gray. I don't like no thick lines. So we're going to make this 1. Uh-oh, y'all. I think I see something. I think I see a potential crown, a bullish crown. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to go based off of here. Now, this hasn't formed a low yet. So, I don't know if this will be the low. But looking at what's potentially forming, it looks like we might have a little crown here. Now, if you aren't familiar with that, I just did a video on EURUSD about the crown. And did the same type of walkthrough in the setup. Now, the reason that I'm a little bit confident in this is because, one, on the stochastic RSI, which I mentioned that I use periodically in my analysis to gauge like the volume, what's happening, and it shows that we are oversold. And then also we found support at the 4 hour level. And then I've got this crown formation here, right? So I see that opportunity as a potential buy. And the way I would set it up, would be something like this. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, because y'all be emailing me like, I took that trade you did. Nah, that's good, but you need to be doing your own analysis and coming to your own determination if it makes sense for you to take a trade or not. Don't take a trade just off of my blind word. You know, that's the worst thing you could do, is to let somebody else trade your money, essentially, right? You need to understand what's going on. You need to understand why you are getting into a position, because there's possibility that I could be very wrong. And then I don't need y'all coming and blaming me for losing your money. You need to understand what's happening for yourself, okay? So this is what I see. The safe way to set this up. That, oh, do I have too many? Hold on. All right. So that's that 80 pip stop. For 180 or 78 pips. So that's like a little over 2 to 1. You can definitely tighten up your stop if you want. But the safe way to do that would be, or to do this would be, placing it below the last low. So that's my thought on Euro USD. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. You think we're going bullish for a little bit, or do you think that price is going to continue down? Because let me see the other thing. Let me delete this pattern, because I think we looked at it already. I'm just going to plot the fibs again. So this is the active fib. So the other thing that could happen is that price could easily break through these levels right here, this 4 hour at 1.06615 and 1.0634, and it could break down to this weekly support, which falls in line with the D extension. That is the alternative. So you're risking 78 pips in order to potentially make 178, 180. On the higher time frame, this is what I see as a potential option. So it's a good setup to me. It's over 2 to 1. And I see several areas of confluence. So let me know what y'all think. How you going to play this? Are you going to buy? Are you going to sell? What is your analysis saying? All right. I appreciate you guys for watching. And if this video was helpful to you, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments, and then share it with somebody. Don't keep all the education for yourself. All right. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.